What's up, guys? It's your girl Dariana, and I'm back with another synthetic wig review. Y'all, get into the motherfucking cheetah print, baby. Get into the cheetah print. Out of all the hair color wigs I did, this gotta be one of my favorites because it's real different. It's giving tiger. It's giving raccoon, low key. Like, it's giving, yeah, main character. Yeah, it's giving. What the fuck? What the fuck she got in her head? It's giving you just mad because you can't pull it off. But anyways, let's get into it. So this is a 26-inch tiger stripe print wig by this company called Brown Bomb on Amazon. They let me choose whatever wig I wanted, and I chose this. I'm like, this is different. At first I was a little nervous about wearing it, but you know, I started to film myself and got research. Like, my mom told me it looked good on me, and when my mama said it looked good, bitch, I don't care what nobody said. My mama said I look good, period. And also, I thought I looked good. You don't need validation from others, you know what I'm saying? But that was just a plus, you feel me? But yeah, it's this. It comes in this box. It comes with a elastic band, wig cap, and this stuff all in this box. The total of this wig, I think it was like $86, I believe. It's a one-part wig, so it's literally one part. It's not a full lace wig or with nothing like that. It came with pre-baby hairs and stuff like that. I put like a little clip on how the wig looked when I first got it before I put it on my head, and it was really easy to install. It melted pretty well. I didn't pluck the hairline like I usually do. I kind of just put this wig on and got some recording. If you want to see the Wiginstall, go follow me on TikTok to go see it. And yeah, like I said, it's 26 inches. I am 5'4.5", so this is where it stops at on me. And yeah, it's tangled, but not for real. Like, it's really not that bad. I just straightened the hair, so it's not that bad. It's Friday. I installed this wig on Monday, so it been holding up really well, pretty well. But I've been going to work this week, so I've been putting my hair up. One thing about me, this is me personally, if I got like a straight synthetic wig in, I'm not gonna wear it down at work. I'm going to put my hair up because I feel like with straight synthetic wigs, you can see the hair like stick up more, and I'm not with it. And I be doing a lot of moving around and stuff because I'm low-key a stalker at my job. So yeah, I'm cool on that wig. Like, it's a pretty nice synthetic wig, and I'm with it. Like, I like it. It's really pretty and stuff like that. And I don't know, I really ain't got nothing bad to say. Like, you know, any synthetic wig you get eventually is going to course, tangle, and shed and stuff like that. But this wig is really not bad. Like, I rate this wig like a good 8 out of 10. The only reason why I'm not giving it a 10 is because it's not a full part wig, but like, it's still not bad though at all. Like, it's really pretty. I love the color. Like, the color is bomb. Like, I'm in love with it. Like, it's giving early 2000 vibes to me. Like, I don't know, it's giving cheetah girls. Like, I love it. I love it. And yeah, that's pretty much all I gotta say for real about this wig. And it is big head friendly. I got a big ass head. And yeah, very easy beginner friendly wig. Like, it's really easy to install. It came pre-dyed like this, like, period. Like, no effort at all. All I did was install it. So yeah, guys, that's all I gotta say about this wig. If you're interested, there'll be a link in my bio. And yeah, follow me for more synthetic wigs like this. And bye.